Step 2, sliding the nappy into the cast. Start with the child on her front, give her a toy or something to play with and prop her up on a cushion so that her back isn't arched. First of all, take off the outer nappy, then peel back the Velcro, ensuring the sleek tape doesn't come unstuck as you do so, and then gently pull through the current nappy, pulling the extender with it. Take off the extender. Clean the area as usual. And roll up the existing nappy and tuck it under the front so it's out of the way. Next, take your loaded hip sticks and insert down the top of the cast. It's quite a long piece of fabric, so stopping her from tugging at it can be a challenge, but she's reasonably used to it now. So at this stage you're pushing it down rather than pulling it out of the bottom. And once it gets so far, there you are. Once it gets so far, you can start to pull gently and straightening as you go. Smoothing out the ruffles, straightening as you go. There we go. As you reach the top, just ensure that the nappy extender slides in nice and flat. Pull it through and stick down to the Velcro on the outside of the cast. One last gentle tug, you'll feel the tension in the nappy. Lay the outer nappy, if it's unsoiled you can reuse it, on the outside. Pull down a little bit of clothing, make it buttoning up a bit easier, and flip the child over. You ready? 1, 2, 3. There we go. There we are. Yeah. Same process from the front. Peel back the existing nappy top, keeping the sleek stuck down, and pull out the existing nappy. Wipe as usual. And then we're inserting up the front. This is usually a little bit more tricky. It just tends to be a little bit clammy. And this is a much more gentle case of pushing and pulling. Particularly when you get to this stage here, to just tuck in those corners. When you get so far, take the hip sticks off. You just tend to pull at it. And the last stage here really is just pulling out the ruffles and ensuring the elastic is going to lie flat as it normally would. Tucking back in, pulling up the excess from the back so that you can feel that you've got the excess there, and a gentle tug from the extender at the top should just give it the tension that you need to stick down on the Velcro. Fasten back up the outer nappy and we're done.